How to ask ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to ask ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account. You can get ChatGPT to roast your Insta profile with just a few simple steps. Just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. So to ask ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account, the first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Next, take a screenshot of your Instagram profile. This will be the image you share with ChatGPT. After taking the screenshot, open ChatGPT on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Now tap on the menu icon in the top left corner to open the sidebar menu options. From the left sidebar, tap on Explore GPTs. This will bring up a new screen with various options. In the search box, type Instaguru and select it from the pop-up suggestions. This is the tool that will help ChatGPT roast your Instagram account. A new screen will appear. Tap on Start Chat at the bottom of the screen to begin. Again, a new screen will appear. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a text input field. Tap on the paperclip icon on the left side of the message input field. Once you tap it, a list of options will appear. From here, tap on Upload Files and select the screenshot of your Instagram profile from your device gallery. Once uploaded, you can add some text explaining what you need, or you can simply send it without adding any text. ChatGPT will analyze your Instagram content and provide feedback based on its understanding of trends, aesthetics, and engagement. And that's it. This is how you can use ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.